Hello, I just want to say that the media in the country and the politicians are very dangerous. They are dangerous than COVID 19 virus. They are dangerous than coronavirus because they are playing like doctors. They are prescribing a medicine for whole nation and media, the Fox News in America and this guy Trump. They just like that they promoted hydroxychloroquine for all people who are going through coronavirus, but there is no clear evidence about hydroxychloroquine helps in coronavirus. Hydroxychloroquine is for malaria drug. It doesn't cure other. There is no clear evidence about that, and Trump blames WHO. About what? About a single tweet. Yes, it's a the WHO, World Health Organization, said that the Chinese authorities have found now clear evidence of human to human transmission of novel coronavirus. But here you can see it's saying that according to Chinese authorities, not according to them. Here Chinese authorities, they are also politicians. They misled the whole world regarding this coronavirus. If they have warned earlier, all people would have taken precautions and sealed down China. But it's too late now. Let's not talk about that. Here, what we have to trust is only World Health Organization. World Health Organization is definitely doing its part, and what we can accept is the uh, vaccine. Vaccine will not arrive soon, just like that. It takes 12 to 18 months. Here you can see 12 to 18 months. It takes time to develop a vaccine on virus. So this is also not 100% proof. If the virus mutates too much, and vaccine may not be helpful on that mutated virus. So we have to hope for 18 months. For 18 months, the vaccine will not arrive. So it will be next 2021 June. Vaccine may arrive. Until then, we have to go like this only. And people who are in danger of coronavirus, who are they? The people going through asthma. The people going through asthma and chain smokers and people above 70. The key thing here is lungs. If your lungs is healthy, there is no need to worry about coronavirus. If you are not worried about coronavirus, but you have to worry about your elders, the people around you, whose health, whose lungs is not healthy. So if somebody is going through asthma, or he is elderly, or he is a chain smoker, there is much possibility that he will go through ventilator. If a person sees ventilator, if a doctor brings this device when he is admitted in hospital, laryngoscope and all that, say goodbye to his he have to say goodbye to his friends and family, because 80% of the cases who going through ventilators, they will not survive, because uh, its damage is already done. Only 20% of the people will come back. And during ventilation, during intubation, the process of giving ventilation is intubation. And after intubation, the patient will go to sleep. There will be a gag reflex, because the endotracheal tube, it will go into his trachea, and there will be a gag reflex from the human body. So to avoid that, the patient will be put to sleep by sleep medication until he recovers from as it is and breathes on his own. Until that, his sleep medication will be continued. So a person may be on ventilator for week or 10 days. For 10 days he will be sleeping and he will not have any consciousness, and during sleep only he may die, because we cannot say anything about we cannot guarantee about ventilators cures coronavirus. And these are the people who are uh, have to go through ventilators, people suffering from asthma, elderly, and chain smokers. So these people are in danger of coronavirus. And the thing about uh, lockdown, I don't know lockdown is correct or wrong, but lockdown buys time to for the people to put some strategy. Government has to plan, and only thing people have to do now is grab some food and stay in home, and wear masks when going outside. If you wear masks and wash your hands and maintain hygiene, it will not get into your lungs. Avoid any other person contact at any cost. That's it. We have to just grab food and stay in home for next 6 to 1 year. I think it may. The coronavirus is not stoppable. Here, the person who is infected has not to be blamed, because it's spread. The coronavirus will spread before he goes to goes to symptoms. Even the person will not know he is spreading virus. Earlier he will be healthy. He thinks I am healthy, I can roam around. But the virus from his body will keep on spreading. After that, after 2 to 3 days, he will fall sick. Until that, the infection is done. So we should not blame any coronavirus patient, and that's it. Don't trust media. I am saying don't trust media or don't trust politicians. They are plain stupid. And they are talking anything that is stupid. That's it. Just believe World Health Organization and your doctors. That's it. Thank you.